can only drive back if you drive in a manual.
No, I'm
No,
not
you gotta
doing
drive
that.
in a manual.
No.
I got it. Now I'm entirely
Good morning. Glorious V8.
Yeah, right.
Let's get going.
Overrated.
Overrated? How dare you? That is literally, that's treason to say that a V8 is overrated. You're insane. There's a Tahoe coming. Today what are we doing? We're going to get our passes for SEMA after we go back to our room because we have to check out and go to a different hotel. You're in neutral, sir.
I know. I just did that so I could do that.
What? But so now we're going back to the hotel.
Fall back.
See you when we're at the hotel. Just before checking out is I got to take the things off of you and put it on. So transfer will begin momentarily. All right, guys. So we just got here to the other hotel. We're going to be trying to see if we can check in first. Then after that, we're going to head over to SEMA, which is right over there. So, I don't know what's going to happen. Hopefully, we can get checked in. I'm not sure. It's a little early. It's about 11:53. So I don't know if we're going to be able to get checked in, but if we do, then that's cool. All right, so we weren't able to check into the hotel, unfortunately. It's going to be an after SEMA type thing. So we found a place to park, and we're walking through the casino now, so I'm going to have to put the camera down because they don't like cameras and stuff in here. But we're walking to SEMA now, so see you in a second. So we got our passes. Now we're gonna head downstairs to check out a few of the booths. So we're looking for the Koenig booth because that's where Chris's car, the guy from B is for Build is. And I desperately want to see that because like a month or so before he announced he was doing that, I was legitimately looking up ways to get an S85 inside of a 240Z. So I want to see this thing now. I think we found it. Dude, it did. Yeah, this is the exact thing that I wanted to do, which was crazy. So I found one of the coolest things ever. It is a 13B powered Miata. This thing was angry. So he was telling me you have 33 pounds of boost from Precision Turbo, Precision Big Turbo. And you also have a third shot just on top of that, which is absolutely crazy. It's all rear mounted. It's one of the newer models. You can see he has a few battle scars, but that's how you know the car's actually good. I love it. Said that they run it in Formula Drift. It's really nice. All right, so we're about to experience the Kia Stinger drifting. Yeah, I call front seat shotgun, obviously. But yeah, we have to wait, so it's gonna be a minute, probably. How do I look? Look good?
Funny.
You look funny.
I know, you look funny too.
Don't call me lucky. You look funny. Me looking funny.
I already know, I'm not a...
Oh, I look great. We got Forrest Wang in one of these cars. I want to be in there. Can't tell with the helmets. I can't recognize him from just his eyes. So I think that's him though, because there he is. Forrest Wang, one of the Ford D drifters. Here we go. What?
Who's riding in front?
Me.
Yep, let's do it. Let's do it.
Shotgun. Thank you. How's it going?
How you doing, man?
I'm good. How have you been?
I'm Having a blast, I'm sure you can tell.
Yeah, I definitely can. All right.
Awesome, all aboard?
Ready? Yep, all set.
Let's see what this thing will do.
Let's go.
No, he didn't start it.
Starting line.
Alright, let's do this, everybody.
First time, come on.
Let's get it. Let's get that launch. Love it.
Alright, guys.
Awesome. First experience actually drifting. What do you think, son?
Fine. Excellent.
I was waiting for him to pull the hydro. I'm like, wait for it, and whoop, sideways. I don't know how to quite feel about hats. I'm not a big hat person, but you know,
Were you ever scared?
it's whatever.
No,
I like it. Last stop of the night is going to be Toyo Tires. And that's only because I got these honeys over here calling my name. Yes. Dude, you gotta love a good wide body. Know what else you gotta love? You gotta love a good rocket body. Tandem kits. Tandem. Old-fashioned RX-7. You wanna know what's crazy? I saw some guy in Pittsburgh. He has like a yellow version of this old RX-7. He had a for sale sign on it. I was like, why would you ever sell that car? But amazing. Super. Yes, please. I know I'm not talking much. I'm just making a whole bunch of possibly erotic noises, but I don't care. These cars are amazing. Look at the way this wing mounts. That's pretty cool. I like it. There's so many things in here. There's another 240 over here. I like this. I like this. It's square, but I like it. I like that it's full carbon. Like it, love it. And you can tell it's like actually carbon. You see they cut out the body after they made the carbon panels. You gotta love the interior of the Phantom as well. Oh dear God. I love these like 3D wheels. See, it's like this 3-piece, but it comes out, and I love the super concave one. End of day one at Sema. Got a hustler bag. Overall, it was nice. I really liked it. I'm not sure what we're going to do now, but I think I'm going to end the vlog here for today. So, as always, if you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button down below. And if you want to see any more videos coming from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right next to that little bell notification icon button thing. I need a name for that because that's too long and that made no sense. Anyway, peace out. I'll see you in the next one.